Hey, cat owners! Welcome to my channel. Cats always communicate with us uniquely, but can you really read the signals they send? Today, we will go through several common questions to deeply interpret cat behavior and help you become a more competent cat owner. If you love cats, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the little bell reminder. Abnormal calls. What do cats want to express? The short meow sound is a common way for cats to express emotions. If you hear it in the morning, it is likely that they are reminding you that it's time to feed. Following you and calling softly, it means asking for a touch. But continuous and sharp calls may be a cat's distress signal. According to research, 80% of people suffer from chronic pain, such as arthritis, fractures, etc., and cats will use this to convey discomfort. If the cat is crying and has a poor appetite and slow movements, take it to the hospital for a blood test. Crazy licking. Is it a love of cleanliness, or a red light on the body? Cats are the cleanliness champions of the animal world, spending 2 to 3 hours licking their fur every day to clean themselves. But if you find that they lick the same place for more than 8 hours, or even have red skin and hair loss, then you have to be alert. Veterinary clinical data show that 85% of abnormal licking is caused by skin inflammation, parasites, or joint pain. Sleep changes, the barometer of cat health. Adult cats sleep 12 to 16 hours a day, and elderly cats can even sleep 20 hours. If a cat's sleep pattern changes suddenly, you have to pay attention. Lethargy accompanied by a fever may be a sign of infection. Insomnia may be caused by hyperthyroidism. It is recommended that cat owners record the cat's sleep time for a week. If the abnormal change exceeds 20%, they should take it for a thyroid hormone test. Scratching furniture. Is there no place for cats' ancestral crafts to be used? Scratching is a natural instinct of cats, which can sharpen their claws and relieve stress. Studies have shown that preparing scratching boards for cats can reduce their furniture-destroying behavior by 60%. The scratching board should be placed in a place where cats often move, at a height similar to their chest. If the cat prefers the sofa, stick double-sided tape on the surface of the sofa, spray some lemon water, and slowly guide it to show off its skills on the scratching board. Sudden hunger strike. What is the cat doing? If a cat is indifferent to delicious food for 24 hours in a row, you must not take it lightly. Statistics from a pet hospital found that 45% of cats with poor appetite were eventually diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. In this case, first check whether the food is stale and whether the food bowl is placed next to the toilet or in a noisy place. If these factors are excluded, observe the cat's excretion. Frequent urination and blood in urine may be caused by cystitis. Body language. The tail and ears can speak. The cat's tail can be called a mood indicator. If the tail is erect and trembling slightly, it means that the cat is in a good mood and is very happy to interact with you. If the tail swings quickly, it is either too excited or a little irritable. If the tail is puffy, it must be scared. The ears also have hidden secrets. If the ears are erected forward, it means that the cat is curious. If the ears are pressed against the head, it may be very nervous or even ready to attack. Combined with the size of the pupil, you can more accurately judge the cat's mood. Crazy hiding, unaccustomed to the new environment, or psychological problems? It is normal for cats to hide for 24 to 48 hours in a new environment. This is slowly adapting. But if they hide for 3 consecutive days and don't eat, then there is an issue. It may be psychological stress or physical discomfort. It is recommended to put some clothes with the owner's scent near the cat's nest to help the cat relieve anxiety. In a multi-cat family, be sure to arrange an independent space for each cat to avoid them fighting for territory. Scientific cat raising. Start by understanding cats. Regular physical examinations are the key to preventing diseases. Keeping the humidity at home at 40% to 60% can reduce cat skin problems. Each cat should have at least 2 of vertical activity space, and a cat climbing frame should be arranged. Feeding should be regular and quantitative, 4 meals a day for 6 months, and reduced to 2 meals after adulthood. If you find that the cat's behavior is abnormal, use your mobile phone to record the time, frequency, and accompanying symptoms for a veterinary diagnosis. Understanding the cat's signals can not only make them less sick, but also take your relationship to a higher level. Have you learned all the secrets of raising cats today? If you have other tips for raising cats, please share them in the comment area. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will continue the chat next time.